So it's going to about down here at about 20:45. That's June at the Royal Ascot Tennis Club, and I've come here just for a bit of entertainment before the rain comes in after picking up a takeaway. Should do the job. Doesn't look as if the rain will be here for another 20 minutes or so. So plenty of time to enjoy my meal. We'll see what the quality of tennis is like out there. Rain?
No.
No? You've had enough?
Okay.
You call this rain? Not much at all. There's June arriving home on the closed circuit TV. So, did you get nice and wet?
A little bit wet, not too bad.
Oh, that's a pity. Going to go out again?
Putting your car in, I suppose.
Yeah, that's right, you've got to do that. Definitely, I can't afford to do that. I've got busy here doing other things. Checking that she put her car away properly in the garage. But make sure she parks it correctly. Yeah, there's the peanuts out for the foxes and hedgehogs and anything else interested. Oh, better make sure these signs are not obscured. The cameras and all those things. And the flatulent gnome from Australia. Have you eaten yet?
Yes, I had something before I went out.
Ah, good, okay. So did I. I had an expensive meal. Yes. Okay, that'll do then, won't it? Yes, not very much rain at all. There it goes. Quite boring, really.